How to use one WhatsApp account on two iPhones. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, find and tap on the linked devices option as shown. This feature allows you to use your WhatsApp account on multiple devices like your computer or tablet. Now, tap on the Link Device button to begin. You may be prompted to use Face ID or your passcode to authenticate. Your phone's camera will then open. Simply point it at the QR code displayed on WhatsApp web or the desktop app to complete the process. Following these steps, you can easily use one WhatsApp account on two iPhones. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.